In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and let me show you how to reset all accessibility settings on this device. So first of all, we need to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and locate general management. Here you will notice reset, so smoothly click here, and then select reset accessibility settings. And if you really want to restore the default setup for your accessibility features, just tap on reset settings. Then confirm it by tapping on reset. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you need to be 100% sure that you want to do it, and if you are, just tap on reset. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done, so congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.